time to cut into that juicy and tart pomegranate you've been craving, but with no mess. No annoying wooden spoon. And in less than 5 minutes. Hey there, I'm London Brazil and you are watching Evolving Table, where we make healthier spins on classic recipes and also learn a few quick cooking tips along the way. Like today we are learning the absolute best and easiest way to get all of those delightful arils by using a simple bowl of water trick. So without further ado, let's jump straight in and get to cutting. When selecting your pomegranate at the grocery store, you want to look for one that has a firm and smooth skin, is a light to ruby red color, has somewhat flat sides with ridges, and feels slightly heavy when you pick it up. Place the pomegranate on a plastic cutting board. You can use a wooden one, but you might end up with a few extra stains. And locate the blossom end. Using a paring or chef's knife, make an incision about 1/2 inch from the top. Slice in a circular fashion around the pomegranate in order to remove it. At this point, you will be able to see all of those delicious arils surrounded by the white lines of pith and membrane running between them. There will normally be anywhere from about 5 to 8 of these white lines, which also coincide with the ridges you can feel on the sides of the pomegranate. Make shallow cuts along the ridges, about 1/4 inch deep. Be careful not to slice the fruit all of the way through so you don't burst those arils. Gently pry apart the pomegranate at the cuts to open it up. It should break easily into multiple sections. Now this is where that bowl of water trick comes in handy. You'll want to grab a bowl that's large enough to fit your pomegranate. Submerge the pieces in the water and begin brushing away the seeds from the white membranes. For the more tricky ones that are hidden beneath the membrane, try to separate it from the arils to let some water get in between. They should loosen up and come out easily. Keep doing this until all of the seeds have been removed. As you can see, the white pieces have floated to the top of the water, while the arils sunk to the bottom. This makes it super easy to scoop the white pieces out of the water using a spoon. Use a slotted spoon to get the bigger pieces out, and then a regular spoon to get the smaller ones. Drain the remaining pomegranate seeds in a colander and pick out any remaining white parts. You can then either use them to make fresh pomegranate juice, add them to your favorite recipes, or eat them by the handful. And if you want a little bit more help in the kitchen, be sure to check out these other quick cooking tips. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.